In this cave is Cornwall's famous Holy Well, and in this video I'm going to show you how to find it. Tell you what, it is actually very hot for November. What a beautiful day. Just a little pointer if you are coming down here to find the Holy Well. If you're a National Trust member, there is a National Trust car park here. Well, you can use it if you're not a National Trust member, but obviously if you are, it's free. It's kind of always a bit of a catch-22 when it comes to National Trust because, yes, I don't have to pay, I'm a National Trust member, but at the same time, they don't let you fly drones. So during this journey to go and find the Holy Well, I was hoping to sort of show you via aerial shots, but maybe I'll just use Google Maps instead. Which, to be honest, is probably a blessing in disguise today because it is pretty windy, like really windy. Now the first rule is you want to check the tide times. You can only find the Holy Well when it's low tide. So once you know exactly when it's going to be low tide, that's when you should head out. I'm a little bit early at the moment, I've still got about another half an hour before full low tide. The second rule is you definitely need wellies, unless it's summer. And then if it's summer, you don't need anything on your feet. But for autumn, any time that's not summer, wear wellies. So just over here, if you end up near this shipwreck just here, if you see this shipwreck just here, that means you are heading in the right direction. Cornwall, full of shipwrecks. So as you come down onto the beach, follow the coastline all the way over to where the cliffs are. So all along this cliff line here, there are lots of caves. As you can see behind me, just here, all the way along. But the cave that we want, the cave with the Holy Well in it, is just literally just around here. Believe it or not, I've never been here before. So this is a first for me as well. This is not the cave. So no, these waves are coming in. I know a fair amount about currents, and all it takes is one slightly larger wave to sweep you right out to sea, so it's always safety first. I believe it's just around there, but the waves don't seem to be, the tide doesn't seem to be going out enough. So I believe now it's just a waiting game. Just talking to these lovely people over here, and they were like, no, we've just walked past it. It's not around there. It's like over here. So we're all learning here. We're all learning, but we will get there. If you are new to this channel, you probably don't know that I do actually end up getting lost a lot. But obviously for my regular viewers, this is fairly a regular occurrence. But we made it. So, Holywell Cave, also known as St Cuthbert's Cave, is set in the southwest corner of Holywell Bay. So back in ancient times, they actually believed that the holy well here had healing powers if you drank the water. Now it is custom to drink the water here, however, I'm not sure, I'm not 100% because I don't really want to get ill. Okay, so maybe I wussed out. Maybe I should have drank the water. So anyway, let's recap. You leave the car park, you head down to the beach, you head to the right. You go all the way along the water's edge and head over to the areas which are the caves. From there, you head in this direction and you head up the walkway just there. And then you find the Holy Well. Let me know in the comments if you would have drank that water. So that's the Holy Well. Like, subscribe, watch this video next. See you next time.